Happy Saturday morning, where I bring you to my closet. This is Landon's side of the closet. It looks so neat. Everything is put away where it belongs, and then you slowly come to my side of the closet and bam, a big pile of stuff thrown on the floor. I'm still amazed that we have this small closet that we share, but I am pretty sure that he has more clothes than I do. It is beginning to feel like spring, and so I am putting my winter sweaters away, and I will probably regret this next week when it snows, because we are in Utah. It will snow in April. We are in March, but I'm going to put away my winter clothes for now. I don't think I will be wearing a black wool sweater in the spring. So things like this, I tuck away in other drawers. I am pulling out some of my spring, summer clothes, match all of that. Found some candy. Does anyone want some? Because I'm not eating any for a while. All right, I am feeling much better about things. I may go on a shopping spree and get a few new items to put in my closet. They are being so patient, Landon. Look at that.
Sorry.
We thought Sunny was going to be a goner here a few weeks ago, and she pulled through.
Can you feed it to her? There you go. Oh, good job. Yes.
We showed you our new vehicle. We got a Suburban, and I just ordered some Armor All leather care for it because I want to condition the seats in here. I couldn't open the top, and then I got some in my mouth. Gross. Okay, well, now I've got it opened. We asked for recommendations on what we shall name our Suburban, and I fell in love with one of your ideas, and we are going to go with it. The new name of our car is called Doc. It is a boy. His name is Doc, in honor of Landon graduating with his PhD. So I thought we are going to stick with that. Thank you for whoever commented that. I mean, doesn't it look like a dock? That's a dock to me. Where did our raspberry bushes go? Is that what they're supposed to look like?
Yep, they'll grow back.
There's nothing to them.
They'll grow back in the spring. Is all of this worth it? Are we gonna plant a garden this year?
We'll talk about that later. I feel like we were both wanting to clean things up. Spring clean.
Okay, go play. Go play.
I feel like we were just both in a bad mood.
We were just both wanting to get things done, and knowing that we had lots of kids running around, this one will not stop.
That's going to be the story of our lives all summer.
No.
Attempted to film, didn't get much done, but we did sweep everything out, and it feels a lot cleaner. Believe it or not, the kids actually rode their bikes pretty much every day to school, like all winter long. Unless it was actively snowing or raining, they would ride their bikes, and they hardly ever complained. There was a few times that they would say, can you please drive us, if it was like really cold. But I just want to say good job, high five for riding your bikes to school every day this winter. So this company guy, Roar, sent the kids these scooters, which I thought was super nice of them. They're electric scooters, and the kids have been asking for electric scooters like forever. So we're gonna mix things up a little bit. Instead of riding bikes to school, we're gonna try out the scooters. But I like them because they don't go more than 10 miles per hour. So not too fast, but fast enough for the kids to really just enjoy. They got a little kickstand right there. Show me how it works, buddy. And you're off! I will leave a link down in the description below to where you can find these electric scooters.
Beg your pardon. ¿Qué es esto?
I'm in a mood, okay?
I know you are.
Everyone just leave me alone. Go to bed. Isn't that how you feel?
Now baby sees it.
She's not good.
She's coming to say goodnight. Night-night, Mama.
Good night. Oh, she will not. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. She's pushing me away. You're not getting any. You're going to bed. Good night.
Night-night, Mama.
Good night. Let's end the evening by talking about this little flip chart. Emma got this for Christmas, and it is the coolest thing. It is 52 modern manners for today's teens, and I have a little Instagram highlight about it. So once a week, we flip it over and we talk about it.
Wait, did we flip it for this one?
Yeah, this is for this week.
Okay.
Decline kindly. Don't ignore people if you can't make it. Just let them know.
No, we didn't. No, we need to do it. This was
What?
last week's one.
Oh, be on time. Okay, well, really quick, I think it's very rude when people just ignore me and don't tell me. So yes, I agree with that. And I also agree with this because it's very rude to like wait consistently on like the same people you know over and over are going to be late. Plan your life so you can be punctual. Set reminders or alarms. Keep a schedule. If you are going to be late, let those know as soon as possible. And thank others for waiting for you when you arrive. Totally agree. And then there's like more on this side right here. But I just think it's like really cool for any age, but yeah, like especially teens. Okay, just a few other ones. Take ownership of your mistakes. Love that. Respect people's homes. When you go into other people's homes, I like that. Be inclusive. Anyway, I just think that's really cool. So I will leave a link for it down below. But we are going to end the night with that. Thank you guys for watching, and good night.
Good night.